This video will teach you how to prepare your screen and device. We need to make sure that the glass or surface for the suction cup is clear, and also the rubber part, using anything like Windex or water. To make it easier, take the arm off. You don't need the arm. Start with the suction cup. There is an off position. Start it on the off position as far to the left as possible. Loosen the arm so it is flexible. You want the rubber pad to meet at the dashboard, and find where you want to keep it, then lock it up. After that, tighten the arm. It's aluminum, it's not going to break. Grab the extendable arm and place it in. Then, extend the arm as much as you would like. Then put your device holder and use the knob to work the extension. And that is how you prepare for and assemble your device.